Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the X or Twitter app step by step. First, open the X app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, you can scroll through posts to see updates from people you follow. Explore trending topics, discover new accounts, or even check out interesting videos, images, and threads. If you want to create your own post, tap the plus icon, type your message, and press post to share it. You can also like, reply to, or repost other users' content. Save posts for later or participate in polls and discussions. Use the search tab to find trending topics, accounts, or hashtags to follow. Don't forget to explore notifications to stay updated on interactions. The X platform enables users to share updates, follow conversations, discover trending topics, connect with communities, and stay informed through real time posts, discussions, and multimedia content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.